boss! Happy birthday! Thank you, boss! Love you! Thank you! Love you!
Happy birthday, boss. More chicks to come. And more chicken na pang sabong to come. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Wishing you a wonderful birthday filled with happiness and success. It's a pleasure working under your leadership, and we are grateful for the guidance and support you provide. May this year bring you even more achievements and personal joy. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, Boss June!
Happy birthday to the best senior accountant, Boss June. Your hard work and dedication inspire us all. Cheers to another great year ahead. Thank you for all the blessings and generosity you gave us for 2024. We love you from Audit Division family. Yay! Merry Christmas and a happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, boss. May your birthday be as awesome as you are. We wish you good health, more happiness, blessings, and more birthdays to come. Thank you for your generosity and kindness to us. We love you, Boss June, from Barangay Division.
Hello, boss! Happy birthday to our most generous and caring boss. Thank you, boss, for the advices and guidance sa workman or sa life. May you have more and more blessings to come. Congratulations also for being the new Lolo. Again, from your Trust Fund family.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Boss June. Enjoy your day. We wish you many more happy and healthy years to come. Thank you and love you, boss.
To wish you a happy birthday and thank you for being such a brilliant boss. We love you, boss, from Family Division. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.